Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. Capture life's moments effortlessly with compact, user-friendly technology. The best point-and-shoot cameras offer exceptional image quality, quick focus, and portability, ideal for travelers, beginners, or anyone wanting sharp photos without hassle. These cameras make photography simple and enjoyable every day. Number 1. Fujifilm X100V. The Fujifilm X100V is a premium point-and-shoot camera designed for photographers who appreciate classic styling with cutting-edge technology. It features a remarkable 40.2-megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5 HR sensor that captures stunning detail and impressive dynamic range in a truly compact body. Its built-in 6.0-stop in-body image stabilization keeps images steady even in low light or when shooting handheld video. A 4-stop internal ND filter expands creative control in bright conditions, while the 1.4x and 2x digital teleconverters allow you to reframe your compositions without losing resolution. Fujifilm's renowned 20-film simulation modes, including the new Reala Ace, deliver distinctive color profiles straight out of the camera for a signature look. The hybrid optical and electronic viewfinder and intuitive controls make shooting feel tactile and enjoyable. Despite its advanced specs, the X100V retains a sleek, travel-friendly design ideal for street, portrait, and documentary photography. This camera excels for enthusiasts and professionals who want uncompromising image quality and creative flexibility in a pocket-sized package. Its blend of high-resolution, stabilization, and versatile features ensures consistently beautiful results whether you're capturing stills or video on the go.
Number 2. Sony RX100 VII. The Sony RX100 VII elevates compact camera performance to a professional level with its 20.1-megapixel stacked 1.0 type CMOS sensor in Zeiss Varia Sonar T*24 to 200 mm f2.8 to f4.5 lens. This powerful combination delivers crisp images, creamy bokeh, and outstanding versatility across wide to telephoto focal lengths. Autofocus performance is a major highlight. Sony's AI-based real-time tracking and eye autofocus for humans and animals further enhance focus reliability in stills and video. Creators will appreciate 4K video recording with S-Log 3, interval shooting, a microphone jack, and vertical position data recording for easy social media content. Active mode image stabilization in 4K helps produce steady footage, while the diopter adjustment and compact size make it comfortable to use in a variety of conditions. Whether you're a traveler, vlogger, or enthusiast, the RX100 VII offers an unmatched combination of speed, image quality, and portability in the point-and-shoot segments.
Number 3. Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. Canon's PowerShot G7X Mark III is a versatile compact camera designed for creators who want excellent stills and video performance without carrying a bulky setup. Featuring a 20.1 MP CMOS sensor and an f1.8 to f2.8 lens with 4.2x optical zoom, it captures sharp, detailed images even in challenging lighting conditions. Optical image stabilization helps reduce blur during handheld shooting, while support for RAW files offers maximum flexibility in post-processing. The camera's compact form hides impressive power for both still photography and content creation. Users looking for reliable autofocus, vibrant color rendition, and the flexibility to switch between casual snaps and serious work will appreciate how much performance Canon packs into this small body. It strikes a balance between ease of use and creative potential for photographers and videographers alike.
Number 4. Sony ZV-1 II. The Sony ZV-1 II is purpose-built for modern creators who want a compact camera optimized for vlogging and social content. Its ultra-wide 18 to 50mm zoom lens easily frames everything from group shots to immersive landscapes while maintaining sharpness and clarity. The large 1.0 type sensor ensures professional-looking images and excellent low-light performance, while the fast F, whether you're filming talking head videos, travel vlogs, or live streams, The ZV-1 II delivers crisp visuals and high-quality audio in one package. It's also versatile for still photography, offering the same image quality advantages in a point-and-shoot form. For content creators who prioritize ease of use and professional-grade output without extra gear, the Sony ZV-1 II is a smart, all-in-one solution.
Number 5. Panasonic Lumix DC-LX100 II. The Panasonic Lumix DC-LX100 II combines a large 4/3 sensor with the fast Leica DC Vario Sumulux 24-75mm f1.7/2.8 lens to deliver exceptional image quality and a compact body. Its high-sensitivity 17MP multi-aspect sensor allows you to switch between 4:3, 3:2, 16:9, and 1:1 formats without losing resolution, making it highly adaptable for creative framing. 2 appeals to photographers who want DSLR-like control and image quality without the size or weight. It's an excellent choice for travel, street, or everyday photography, offering a unique blend of portability, creative versatility, and powerful 4K capabilities in the point-and-shoot category. Choosing the best point-and-shoot cameras means finding the perfect balance between portability, quality, and ease of use. Each model reviewed above offers unique strengths to suit different shooting styles. Whether you're capturing travel memories, creating content, or simply enjoying photography, these cameras deliver professional results without the bulk of traditional gear.